Ready to level up your welding game? In this must-watch video, we dive deep into square pipe welding techniques that can transform ordinary steel into powerful burglar barriers. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional welder, you'll learn essential tips and tricks to ensure your pipes are not only sleek, but also incredibly strong. Join us as we cover everything from essential tools to step-by-step demonstrations that guarantee a perfect weld every time. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your home and shield your valuable assets. Subscribe now for more expert welding tutorials.